Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do an inspired shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. It's Sunday, and it is time for a shave, and the inspired by is I was watching Dave in Kentucky, and he used his Weck med prep or Weck surgical prep, and I know you can't see the engraving there, but it does say Weck, and this is from Brooklyn, New York, US. Now, this is a single-edged blade, and it is quite the beauty. These are hard to find, and just for comparison, I'll show you what this uses. A hair shaper blade, and this uses an SE blade. If you look at the difference, quite a bit of extra swath. And then if you want to see what it's compared to as far as, let's see, let's get them all lined up here if I can. Probably can't. Just a regular DE, you can see quite a bit of difference between the two. So it will definitely make the shave go by quickly. I am going to be using a new Persona blade, and this is what it looks like. This one is the super stainless, and I'm always a little leery of popping that little cardboard tab off of there, because where your fingers go is right near the cutting edge. And if they would do us all a favor and just put the glue tab a little farther back from the edge, it would make it a lot easier. And they put hefty glue on there to where it even just peels the cardboard back. But there's what it looks like. And all you got to do is put it right in here and slide it across. Boom. All right, so that was the inspired part. Thank you, Dave, for making me want to get that razor out and using it for another go. Now, today's shave soap is by A&E, and this is Spartacus. This is a dupe to Creed Aventus, and it does have a nice, pleasant scent to it. I have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. Oh yes, and I'm using my beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush, and look at that. It's like a magic ball. I mean a crystal ball. Oh yeah, woo! Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 1. And I'm running the soap just a little bit more thin today, because with that wider blade, I want a little bit more water. And for me, water equals slickness. The soap does add a little bit to it. Now, you can go overboard and not have enough soap, but here's what the soap looks like. It's about the same consistency as what I typically get my soaps at. I used to do it where it was thicker, but you know, as you're progressing along in your shave experience, you realize that the thicker is a little bit more difficult to rinse, and I think with a little bit more water, it is a little slicker. Let's go ahead and get the razor warmed up and get the shave going. Now, I can only imagine what this has shaved, or how many people it has shaved. But it's been sterilized. Wow. And that is ready for surgery. All right. This will make for a very fast shave, I'll tell you. Comment below and let me know if you have a Weck Med Prep razor or have you seen one before. I have had it on the channel before. It's been quite some time. And when you have several razors, it's easy to just overlook them. Most of my, right here on this row, is all single edge razors, or they're older vintage razors that don't fit in the rest of my collection. And I'm still slowly going through some of those and trying to figure out what I need to keep and what I need to send down the road. All right, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. Seems like here lately I've been getting on more of a kick of single edge blades and going back to straight razor shades on Friday. And I don't really, sometimes I just post those on Instagram. And sometimes I don't. I've been trying to stay out of all the extra stuff that's going on, and I just want to shave and have fun. Still doing well on the old buying freeze. I had to actually do a little bit of digging around to find the blades for this. I've only got 2 styles of blades. One is the Persona, and I also have the Annie's. It's like it's a hair shaper blade that kind of looks like a straight razor. And I was almost tempted to get that particular blade out of the box, and then I found these. They were hiding with some other Persona blades, and they kind of blend in a little bit. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. No nicks or weepers or gashes or bleeding, which is good. And I'm just going to use some Stirling unscented splash here. I probably could get some matching splash out, but I need a little bit of Glacial. That's always a good thing. And to top that off, I'm going to use a little bit of Star Jelly. Well, guys, that is going to be my shave for the day. I don't know how quick it was or how short it was. I can't really see the little thing on my camera. All right, I'll post a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on next Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.